lights on the roof. She asked, ain't anybody told you that them things are bad for you? Said many folks warned me. There's been several people try, but until now there ain't been nothing that I couldn't leave behind. Hold me close, my dear. Sing your whispering song. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you to be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you tonight. Thank you very much.